Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Apple CarPlay not working. Let's get started. If you're using wired CarPlay, make sure you're using an original or certified Lightning cable and try a different USB port in your car. What you need to do first is go to settings, then go to general, then CarPlay, and make sure your car is listed and allowed. Next is go to settings, then go to screen time, then content and privacy restrictions, then allowed apps, and make sure CarPlay is turned on. Next is go to settings, then go to Siri and search and enable listen for Hey Siri and press side button for Siri. CarPlay requires Siri to work. After that, restart your iPhone and your car infotainment system. Then this fixes most connection issues. Then go to settings, general, then software update, and install the latest version. If you're using wireless CarPlay, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are both turned on. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.